My name's Mary Beth. I'm a dancer. I have a dog. What more do you need? Well, February has ended, but I had so many things in February that I was really loving, and I just wanted to share with you a few of them. None of these products are sponsored. I just genuinely love them and thought, hey, other people should know how awesome these things are. A couple of these things that I have, I actually bought because I'm going on vacation next week, and I just felt like the world needed to know how awesome these products were. My first thing is this new CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir Foundation in Ivory. It's super lightweight. It has sunscreen in it, which was mainly my reason because I don't like to put on sunscreen and then foundation. It's just way too heavy for my skin. This already has it in it, so it's not super heavy. It smells really good too, which is always a plus. And because it's CoverGirl, I mean, it's fairly affordable. I bought it at Target. It just goes on really well. I genuinely love this foundation. Highly, highly recommend this. In keeping with makeup, I have another CoverGirl product that I just am obsessed with right now, and it's these CoverGirl Melting Pout Matte Liquid Lipstick. They're super, super cool. I'm actually wearing this one right now. It's called Current Nude, and then this pinker one is called Ballerina, so had to buy it because it was called Ballerina. I love wearing lipstick, but I hate smearing lipstick. These are really cool because they don't smear, they're matte, and as soon as they go on, they don't come up. I can eat with it and it doesn't go anywhere. I can wear it for a long time and I don't need to reapply. So I really like these a lot. Highly recommend. So this next thing is a shirt, and I actually bought it on a Facebook ad, which I do that a lot. I'm kind of an impulse shopper. It's one of my downsides. I always seem to love the product anyway. You know, my impulse buys, they work for me. I don't recommend being an impulse shopper. Unfortunately, Facebook, their ad algorithm has me pegged to a T. But anyway, I bought this shirt because I'm going to Harry Potter World. Not that I don't have enough Harry Potter shirts in my life, but I don't like wearing t-shirts when I know I'm gonna sweat because I'm a really quite sweaty person when I get hot, and armpit stains are just not cute. Not cute. So I found this shirt, and the company is T-Chip. If I can find the link, I'll put it down below. But I just love this shirt, and it's a razorback, and the design is so cute. It's like the little Harry Potter glasses and Hogwarts. The coolest part is that it looks hand-drawn, and it's not like white. It's like an off-white, so if I get like a little sweaty, it'll not stain. Super lightweight, and it's like a nice cotton, just simple cotton tank top. So nice and breathable for the Florida heat. I really, really like it. The next thing I have, rain boots. I'm always looking for a good rain boot. For me, wearing like the big bulky rain boots is hard because I have beefy calves and they always kind of like hurt my calves. I also have pretty big feet, so I always have to get really big sizes, and I just feel really clunky, and I don't like it. But I found these Keds rain boots, which I love Keds. I love that brand. I love their shoes. They're always super, super cute. But I love these shoes. I love these rain boots, and the insides are like a nice flannel green. And I actually got to pick the color of the shoe, which was really cool, that they came in like multiple colors. And I actually found these on a Facebook ad also. Facebook's got my number. And they pretty much go with anything. Like, I wear them a lot with shorts, I wear them a lot with jeans. They just look cute all the time, and they're pretty colors, so I love them. The last thing that I have is dog shampoo. I have a dog, and my dog sheds like there's no tomorrow. I'm not kidding. I don't see how she has fur on her body. She also has really sensitive, dry skin, so I don't bathe her a lot because she gets dandruff, which is funny that a dog can get dandruff. Some dog shampoos will dry her skin out so much. Finally, like, found one I absolutely love. It is Ellen DeGeneres 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner dog shampoo in honey vanilla. I cannot tell you how much I love this dog shampoo. It leaves Penny's fur so smooth and silky and hydrated. It smells like Actually, it kind of smells like hand soap, like the honey hand soap that you can get. It's a very subtle scent, which is really nice. Sometimes scented soaps can irritate dogs even more. And I found this at PetSmart in the Ellen DeGeneres line. It's just super awesome. And with that, that's all for today. I just wanted to quickly share some of my favorite things this month and to tell you guys that I'm going on vacation next week and I'll be vlogging a good bit of it. I'm so excited to go back to Harry Potter World with my family, and I will see you guys next week. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you, and oh yeah, subscribe. And I will see you guys next week. Bye!